gonna let you guys film it, so.
We can barely even see it.
Still cool though.
Rocket! Woo! The rocket! That looks like the moon! So blurry. Holy moly!
That's awesome.
Oh, new helicopter, I bet. Wow. We didn't hear it.
We should have definitely brought binoculars.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh no, that was a bird. Wow, first time seeing a rocket launcher. Oh my god. So bright. They're going to the moon. Nah, they're going around the moon. Okay. Come on. It came from there. So now it's over there. Not bad. Where is the moon? We're going around the Earth. I forgot to get the momentum. It's gonna take 90 minutes to go around the whole Earth in the rocket trip. Oh, it's gone!